Got your stuff, man. Oh. Thank you, man. Have a good one.
It's always Kyle's fault.
All right. Welcome to Puerto Rico, team.
Hi, so excited.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Up. Oh, see, I need windshield wipers.
Windshield wipers to wipe off your glasses.
Sprinkles are happening. Go ahead, babe.
Go ahead. After you, hon.
Oh, okay.
I'm definitely getting the tour in. Thank you, kind sir. We appreciate your services. Look at this. Look at this arm. Look at this arm. The sinews.
Nothing to look at, guys.
Oh my gosh. Very nice. There you go. After you guys, go ahead. Oh, go ahead, hon. Go ahead. Drop my stuff.
This is a room?
I don't know. Let's check. Nice. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, we got Uno.
Got ourselves a nice little. Oh, we got Uno.
We got Dominoes.
Got ourselves a nice little common area here. A nice, beautiful little kitchen. Nice and quaint. And let's go over down here. What do we got in here? Looks like this leads down to do not enter. It leads to another unit. Okay. We'll respect their privacy. Head back up and see what else we've got in our little Puerto Rican slice of heaven. One over here, hon. Back there.
There's a lot, actually.
There's a lot of room.
Yeah.
Cool.
So whichever one you want, doesn't matter to me. Get that one.
Couple pics first. Thanks.
Doesn't matter. Appreciate you. I know. These nice bedrooms.
Oh, you guys got the key.
Jeez.
You got the key last time.
Turns. How
Oh
about
my gosh.
Wow, this is like a bunch of
This is so
And then look at this.
Jersey Shore.
Wow. To a nice, nice view. All right. No complaints here. Travel Guide Kai Kai does it again. Always find the nice spots when we're on vacation. That's good, right?
I like
Yeah.
it. Oh, we got a tub too? Damn.
We have a little
We're gonna get a little cozy in that tub.
We got a tub?
Dude, low-key, that top was so small, but so did that fucking Puerto Vallarta pool.
But it worked. But it worked. Let's go and let's go check out our tub. Look at this little.
Someone's gonna eat ass.
Oh my god! Yeah, this is.
Cam, come on.
Oh, that's what they said. They said something about the spiral.
Come on, Cam.
They said no children on this staircase. This thing is it's pretty tight. And the railing gets wet, man. Dude, this thing's dangerous. I kind of like it though. Nice little pool area here. Leading over to a little private jacuzzi. Nice and tucked away back here. But yeah, this looks good. This looks very good. Obviously, we want to clean out some of them leaves when we swimming. We got a grill tucked under here. That's gonna be nice. Sun chairs down here, more chairs up there. Let's see if we got anything tucked around the back over here. Anything on this side? No, this just looks like a little private kind of wraparound to the other side of the house. But welcome, guys. Welcome to sunny Puerto Rico. Me and the team have touched down and made it to our home base. We're currently waiting on one more person from our group. Cully decided to fly out of a different airport. So he will be coming in shortly. I think he has one layover that probably slowed up his progress. But other than that, everything looks great. We've gotten into our little villa or vacation home, no problems, no snafus. And we've got a lot planned for these next couple days. We're gonna be going to some festivals. We're gonna be going on a boat ride with all you can eat and all you can drink. We're gonna be snorkeling, we're gonna be exploring and kind of just living it up, seeing what we can find in the Puerto Rico lifestyle. Got a couple amenities. Obviously, we got TV, we got full kitchen, we got foosball, entertainment, cards, yada yada, whole thing. So, I'd say it's gonna be a pretty good time.
Cinematic, Joe.
I know, but I barely use it.
The cinematic's what I want to see.
That's what you want to see.
That's the prettiest shit. Hey, let's go. Hey, we don't got a fucking Uber down.
Uber's 30 cents. All right, so we made it down to the beach. It feels absolutely fantastic out here. Definitely too cold to go into the water. I can tell just by the air temperature that it's not gonna be a pleasant experience. Oh, my nipples! Oh, this shit is like a diamond right now. I could cut anything. All right, to be honest, it's not too bad. We got in. I got a couple shots in me too, so it's not too bad. Yep. Woo. Nobody watches my YouTube. What do you mean? I get a total of like 100 views.
My sister.
Is she really? I'm honored. Wow.
People watch your YouTube all the time.
Do they? No, they don't. I get like 20 views per person. 20 views per video, maybe 40 or 50.
Comment down below if you enjoy Cameron's vlogs. It's so fun and original and awesome.
Oh my God! How much you pay for this, baby?
I don't know.
Was this the price of a new Audi? Oh! Hey, hold up! Hey, hold up! How much you pay for this piece, bro? $350. Hey, Kyle, how much is this?
Fucking your mouth.
It's like 3,000?
$350. $3.
Oh my God!
Free, brother. I wish.
Hey, can you buy me some groceries?
I got you. What you want?
Bro, I need a pizza. I need some PB&J's.
You gotta get some mini wings.
Here they go. Looking like tours.